Welcome to this guided meditation. Take a moment to sit comfortably. Place your hands on your lap, palms facing upward. Relax your body and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. This is your time, your space to connect with your true self. Visualize a serene lotus blooming in the soft light of dawn. Its petals are untouched, pure and vibrant. As you focus on this lotus, take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. This lotus symbolizes your purity, the part of you that is untouched by negativity. Breathe into this thought and feel the calmness it brings. Affirm these thoughts to yourself. Repeat them softly in your mind or aloud. I am a pure being. I am a pure being. I am a pure being. My mind is clean and free. My mind is clean and free. I radiate peace and light. I radiate peace and light. I radiate peace and light. Now, bring your attention back to the lotus. Imagine an orange glow spreading from its center, radiating warmth and light. This glow reaches you, gently touching your heart. Feel this warm orange light filling your entire being, cleansing away any heaviness. Feel the warmth of this light. Let it remind you of your original nature, your unshakable purity. Let's affirm this inner truth once again. I am a pure being. I am a pure being. Feel the energy of purity within you. I am untouched by negativity. I am untouched by negativity. I am a pure being. Become aware of the peace around you. The lotus remains in your vision, glowing brightly. Its light becomes a part of you. Whenever whenever you need to reconnect with your purity, remember this moment. This is your space and you can return to it anytime. When you are ready, take a deep breath in and breathe out. And gently, you may open your eyes. Om Shanti.